Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today again we are going to learn Microsoft Excel questions. So watch the whole video to learn this all important content. And if you watch our complete series on this particular topic, you may find another videos for Excel content. So while not wasting our valuable time, let's get started. And comment me how many of the answers you got correct. And don't forget to leave your valuable comment. Excel questions part 3. And if you haven't watched our previous parts on this particular topic, please click on the I button. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Question number 1. How many rows are there in old version of MX Excel? Option A 65,536. Question number 2. Which was the first spreadsheet on a microscope? Option C VisiCalc. Question number 3. Which key is pressed to close the window of MS Excel? Option C. Alt plus F4. Question number 4. Which Excel feature enables predefined layouts to selected tables in the worksheet? Option B. Auto format. Question number 5. To display the Find and Replace dialog box with the Find tab selected, press which key? Option D. Control plus F. Question number 6. Which key is pressed to display the Format Cell dialog box in MX Excel? Option A. Control plus 1. Question number 7. Predefined built-in formulas in Excel are known as? Option C. Functions. Question number 8. Which key is pressed to save the active file with its current file name, locations and file format? Option A. Control plus S. Question number 9. Which key is used to join or concentrate one or more text strings to produce a single piece of text? Option A. Ampersand. Question number 10. The file series dialog box in Excel has how many sections? Option C. 4 sections. Question number 11. Which of the following is an active cell in Excel? Option D. Current cell. Question number 12. What is the pictorial representation of worksheet data? Option A. Chart. Question number 13. Which function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Option B. Transpose. Question number 14. Which operator combines multiple references into one reference? Option C. Comma. Question number 15. Dash inserts a row worksheet. Option A. Alt plus Shift plus F1. Question number 16. Hash value refers to? Option B. Error in value. Question number 17. You can undo and redo up to how many actions in Microsoft Office Excel even after a worksheet is saved? Option C 50. And default you can undo and redo up to 100 actions. Question number 18. VisiCalc is a program developed by. Option D. Dan Bricklin in 1979. Question number 19. What type of chart is useful for showing trends or change over time? Option C. Line chart. Question number 20. The process of arranging the items of a column in some sequence or order is known as. Option C. Sorting. Question number 21. Which feature of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data? Option B. Autofill. Question number 22. What type of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Option D. Dot graph. Question number 23. In Excel, rows are labeled as. Option B. 1, 2, 3 and etc. Question number 24. What do you use to create a chart? Option D. Chart wizard. Question number 25. What type of chart is good for single series of data? Option C. Pie chart. Question number 26. With which of the following all formulas in Excel starts? Option D. Equal to sign. Question number 27. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is indicated by. Option B. A dark white border. Question number 28. What term describes explanatory text attached to a cell? Option C. Comment. Question number 29. How we can view a cell comment? Option A. Position the mouse pointer over the cell. Question number 30. The default style for a new data kit in a new workbook is. Option B. Normal. Thank you everyone. I hope you clearly understand these questions. So learn, practice and revise them and stay active. We are going to upload a full series of these questions. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. So that's it for today. Have a nice day and thank you so much for watching.